Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience with the product. Today, we're diving into Weave, found at https://www.getweave.com. Weave presents itself as a unified workspace, but what does that actually mean in practice? In essence, it aims to consolidate various digital tools and resources into a single, streamlined platform. Think of it as a central hub for your digital life, bringing together elements of project management, note-taking, and communication. Weave offers a unique approach to organizing information, allowing you to connect notes, tasks, and even external links in a flexible and visual manner. Imagine a web of interconnected ideas, where you can easily jump between related concepts and resources. This interconnectedness is a key differentiator, promoting a more fluid and dynamic workflow compared to traditional, siloed applications. One of the standout features of Weave is its emphasis on collaboration. Multiple users can work together within the same workspace, editing documents, sharing notes, and communicating in real time. This makes it a powerful tool for teams working on projects together, facilitating seamless communication and knowledge sharing. However, Weave isn't without its learning curve. The interface, while visually appealing, can feel a little overwhelming initially, with a multitude of features and options. It takes some time to truly understand the power and flexibility of the platform and to tailor it to your specific needs. Another aspect to consider is the pricing structure. While a free version is available, it comes with limitations. Unlocking the full potential of Weave requires a subscription, which might be a barrier for some users. However, depending on your needs and the value you derive from the platform, the subscription might be a worthwhile investment. Overall, Weave presents a compelling vision for a more integrated and connected digital workspace. It offers a powerful set of tools for individuals and teams looking to streamline their workflows and enhance collaboration. While it requires some initial investment in learning the ropes, the potential benefits in terms of productivity and organization are significant. Check it out for yourself and see if it's the right fit for your digital life. Be sure to check out the link in the description below.